Alright, what's up guys? We're here for Lower Tier Mayhem, Week 5 versus Vepsis. I'm a huge fan of Vepsis, so I'm gonna keep it a buck. So it's gonna be really exciting to play him. I am a little nervous. This dude's been popping off, and we really need to secure a win, but I am confident in our team. We brought some really nice heat to deal with a lot of mods that could cause us some trouble. Alright, good luck, have fun. Let's see what he brought. Okay, he did bring terrain. What can I do here? Excuse me for all the sniffling. I have a cold. Damn, no Sableye. So my ring target and pawn is for naught. Low-key might be good for Mana Buzz though, if it too for Braviary. Alright, you. Oh, it's just all his top mons. Okay, that's fine by me. 4 seconds. Okay, I have time. Let's see, no Colossal and no Rototable. Alright, so this is screaming to be to either be. Actually, I have no idea. I guess I could just lead Ambipom, go for like a Technician Trailblaze on the Gastrodon, who can lead rocks. And if Sapsuper Gujo wants to switch in, I hit it with the Triple Axle. Indeedee could also come out. We brought like a super offensive team. Okay, if Indeedee does come out, I guess I could just switch into Cygnus. Yeah, alright. Oh, I'm so sad Sableye didn't come. My heat is gone. No. Alright. This is gonna be fun battle. For sure. For sure. Okay. I'm going to score a quick kata. Okay. I laid Ambipom. Low key. What's stopping me from? What if I switch a Rookie? Dude, I low key want to. That'll make Specs Breaker be so much more spammable. I do think Vepsis is gonna swap out to probably Arm Rouge or something that uses Triple Axle. So I think the best thing to do here is just go for a double hit. If it's weak armor, then it actually kind of helps me a little bit, getting that second hit off. Okay, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for the double hit. Damn, he's here. Alright. Okay, we do need to know. That's fine. Man, maybe what if I switch to Alright, this is fun. Meat things. Let's see. Man, imagine if a Triple Axle there, bro. Okay, whatever. Whatever. You could bring out Arm Rouge right here now. In that case, how much would the Specs Side Shock do to okay? BBs. Good one. I kinda like that a lot actually. I'm such a picture person. Alright. Okay. I guess the best play is to just switch into my AV. Okay. Expanding Force. Yep. Okay. No Quillfish makes Tadidi a little scary. I can't lie. Is that Spikes? No, it can't be. It's gonna be Forces. Just hurts like a truck. Could be Modest. Okay, I could also just double back it. I'm expecting Guja. Guja's definitely coming in here. Or I can make some progression and Sludge Bomb. Okay, I'll go this way. No, Guja just come down, probably. Poison. Oh, this is Gastrodon. Okay, that's fine. This is a good opportunity for us to set up rocks. So, if I can get a Trailblaze off, I can be faster than Scarfing people. Which is nice. I don't have anything for Terra Steel on Armor Reach, which is a bit of a problem. Yeah, I'll literally Trailblaze right here. Oh, I don't see my bomb. I should do a size buff chunk to Gastrodon. I really doubt it will kill. Because this is still in the Amplify that I would get. Let me calculate. Okay. We bring in Guja. We bring in Core Picard. There's the net box. Yeah. I mean, I'm just gonna triple axle right now. Yeah. I could also just go for double hit again. Expecting Armor Reach to come in. Okay, let's see Armor Reach does switching. Do I have, okay, I have a Talonflame, I guess. Oh, but it's brave, it's... Oh. Shit, okay. Should I just go for double hit then? Or should we? I think I want to go triple axle. Okay, you do stay. What is this kill? Oh, you're Citrus. Okay, that's why you're comfortable staying. Yeah, no, it's too small. Too handful. Yeah, those two stay. My ring target. No. Alright, this is a pretty free double here. Right there. Should definitely come. I'm just gonna go for it. I do not want this weak Armor Rouge. Does he come in and take triple axles, get super speedy, and absolutely annihilate me. You can get rid of this Mandibus, Terra Psychic, Bravery. It's crazy. I did tell Vepsis this is Terra Psychic. Oh, okay, I did. Phew! Alright. Down goes the Mandibus. So yeah, like this, what's going on the screen? Alright, anyways, down goes the Mandibus. So, that's good. Bravery is looking really nice right now. Yeah. Okay. Hello. Well, this thing can freely like calm mind on me. Damn, wait, this Loki, if this Armor Reach gets a calm mind up, it might beat my entire team. What the fuck? Okay, let's think of sequencing. I think I could just stay in Armor Rouge, Terrestio. Why does triple axle do? Oh shit. Okay. Just gonna go for double here. Okay. Ooh, double citrus. Nice. Okay, you're not weak. Okay, interesting. I could have just brought in dash button. Okay, stop your tantrum free here. Could just also go for a nice crunch. Do some nice damage with that. Ooh, if I had Psychic Fans right now, that would have been baller. I'm gonna go for, you know what? I'm gonna bring Dash Button. I think I was debating between the Baton Pass and Body Slam, but I think Body Slam is a really good big cut here. If I go player off and Armor stays in, doesn't really kill me. Halucha can come in, can come in, but nothing, Gastrodon can come in, and Gojo. But like, nothing's really good. I appreciate taking Body Slam. Yeah, I'm gonna go for it. Seems like a solid, mid I think. New things. All reminds me of my favorite child, which is, Sesame Street. Alright, Goopy. Oh, that's Gastrodon. Cool. Para? Okay. That's fine. Honestly, this Bravery is looking pretty solid right now. Can I just bring it in? Or should I just... Can I bring in Yancha low-key? Man, okay. This is a fumble. Okay, I want to keep this Volcano alive to take another hit from the and of course, better. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fine, but this triple axle is just straight up kill. Okay, I don't think Talonflame is too necessary actually. I could just U-turn into U-turn. This should be doing a sizable chunk of damage. Gastrodon. Okay. I could also just CC. Finish this thing here. No, I'm gonna do triple axle. Just in case it starts off one. Okay. Citrus again. Oh man, I should have just CC. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. It's A-okay. Alright, set up spikes again, that's fine. And I should have U-turn. Okay. Can bring in Bashman again, I guess. What's the choosing to play off? Rouge. Okay, I'm just gonna bring in Rouge. I mean, not Armor Rouge, Dashman. Okay. cover. Oh, that's enough. Okay, I'm just gonna go for a play off. In that case. Yeah, if armor switches in, it's fine. Because realistically, like, anyone can tear steel in front of my face. Okay. Man, I really wish I CC'd there. Because guess who has a little. Okay. Alright, armor probably does come back here. Okay, let's think about it. He's definitely good at actually fire still resists. No, he needs the Terra Glass Steel to kill Dashman. I'm pretty sure. So if that happens, I mean, he doesn't know I don't have a fire move on time for him. So I could definitely bluff something out. Almo does come out. Okay. Let's go. Man, that me and Xiao being asleep is a little unfortunate. I do need to keep Dashman alive though. Okay. I'll bring back the what's your face? Dashman. Okay, you do Terra Steel. If he doesn't fire me, so I could drop it to 2 3 to possible switch. Flashback. Yeah, you take those. Pretty well. I could boost board U-turn. This volcano isn't really useful to me. It's shit. It dies to an MVP. What? So I can just see there's a sack to go for. Shit. I don't know. I think I'm just going to U-turn out. Oh no, he's okay. It's fine. There's A-okay with me, buddy. Alright, I guess I could just bring a volcano now. Not that active. Stopping Tantrum on Dashman should still kill this thing. But if I had me and Shell not sleeping right now, that would have been awesome for me. Okay. A Legend can't come in here. I think my best play is just to Steam Eruption in that case. Let's go. I just have to force this thing out. I'm also kind of glad I didn't use that. Its buffs were probably coming up the corner now. And I can't believe he didn't switch out. Right. Oh, okay, he does do it. Oh! Why? Why? Alright, on the bright side though, Who am I kidding? Okay. Oh, I wish this this damn man child isn't asleep, bro. Okay. That's on me though. I could just U-turn now. Yeah, okay. Does U-turn even kill this thing? I don't know if it does. Now this is literally 1 HP. Armor reach. Let's do. Okay, U-turn should do like 9 to 10%. So I'm just gonna go for it. If this somehow doesn't kill. Alright, phew. Okay, that crit didn't matter. Okay, if it did, then I'm so sorry, dude. Dude, this was on the screen. Why was it glitching like that? Alright. And comes Bravier. Okay, this seems like a prime time for me too. That's probably Lucy. Okay, you're probably AD. Just to handle this thing. Lucy. So fast. Yeah, I can't do shit to the squeaker. Oh man, I kinda wish I was taking fair now. Whatever. Just go U-turn now. Could bring in the end shot. Try to pray that this thing wakes up. I guess. And if I didn't let me in shot sleep, that would be such a better position though. Or even if it killed the Gaster though. Hello? Hold up. Dragon Falls? Does that really do that much? Is that AV good? Dragon Falls. Alright, there we go. What seconds do I have left? Alright, that's fine. Let's see. 50. No, okay, that should have. Okay, you are a more offensive creature. Alright, Pookie. Please. Please, wake up. Okay, yeah. That's too much to ask. Oh, man. That's unfortunate. How much does Guja take from Brave Bear? $70 to $80. Alright, so my out is to Brave Bear, but not let this Guja have this Guja live, and then go for Esper and MK. Okay. Gujan needs to live for me for this to work. Oh boy. I'm also assuming this thing is AP. You know, it's kind of, you know. I could also just lose to them. It's like... Okay, that's kind of... Okay, you do, but... Okay, I understand. Okay. Come on, Braviary. Okay, I could go for... No, I'm not going for Caps. Alright, Terra Psychic time, baby. Come on, Braviary. You got it. I'm like 20% sure this will count. Alright. Kill. Yes, okay. Imagine if this is like Sash Kabucha. NPD's nuts. But since I am the only psychic now, this should still do a fuck ton of damage. Since I am to bloods, right? Imagine all this time I was like fucking shit. No, I can't be shit force. That's a speed limit. Indeed. Alright, this probably does kill me. Okay, you are smart. Oh man, if this is Psychic C, this is Psychic C. Oh boy. Yeah, okay, I think it's over. Yeah, Akko should definitely kill him. Aw, man. Oh, that is so disappointing. Maybe... I don't know what I could have done. Maybe U-turn, kept health alive on Talonflame. So Gatlin's were killed the Habucha afterwards. Yeah, that's probably the play, to be honest. Well, GG's to my boy, Pepsis. It was a real pleasure to play him. Like I said, I've been a fan for a while. We'll try to get a win in the next week. See you guys then. Thanks for watching.